Right, let's try a new question. The diagram below shows a right-angled triangle. One side has a length of x units and the hypotenuse is 3 units in length. One of the angles is 65 degrees as shown. Using the diagram, write sine 65 degrees as a fraction in terms of x. Okay, try that. Okay, using the diagram, write sine 65 as a fraction in terms of x. Okay, now you're all higher level, so you have to be a little bit careful that the questions I show you here aren't just a tiny bit too easy and you're looking for the harder bit, because that's what you're more used to. But sine 65 is opposite over hypotenuse. So what you do is you label your sides as such. Okay, and then I go, well, what's my opposite? Opposite is x. And my hypotenuse is 3. And that's the full answer. Using the diagram, write sine 65 as a fraction in terms of x, okay? So all of these are fractions. So when they ask you to write something as a fraction, they're just asking you to what I call set up the trig identity. Okay, and then the next bit said, use a calculator to find the value of sine 65. Okay, now all that's doing is telling you to put sine 65 into a calculator and figure out what it is. So in my calculator, I'm going sine 65 and I'm getting 0. And I'm just looking at how many decimal places they want, 0.9. Okay, and then part C, use your answer from part A and part B to find the value of x. This is part A, which was sine 65 degrees is x over 3. If I put in the bit from B, I'm putting in 0.9 instead of sine 65. Okay, now I need to solve for x. So I need to get rid of him from that side so that I have x on its own. Okay, so he's on the bottom, or he's divided. So I know if I multiply both sides by 3, okay, why 3 on the right? Well, 3 over 3 cancels, and you can see I'm just left with x now. And why 3 on the left? Well, what I do to one side, I must do to the other. Okay, so into my calculator, I'm going 3 by 0.9, 2.7 equals x. And that's that one.